Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to share with you how to repair a grabber tool. This grabber has a problem at the handle. I am not able to squeeze it when I want to. If you have the same problem as me, here is what you can do to fix it. First, open the cover at the handle like this. Once it's open, these are the parts that you will see. A metal hook attached to a wire and a piece with a hole. Take the hook and lay it flat like this, securing it in its place by pressing it down. Then, take the piece with the hole and place it over the metal hook like this. Make sure the piece is positioned at a 45-degree angle like this because we are going to wedge it against this bit when we put the handle cover back on. Here is how I did it. Fit the cover back into the two holes and you're done. It's functioning again. Give it a go at repairing your grabber today before you send it to the landfill. If you learned something in this video, please support me by clicking on the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.